Some of the beauty and charm of Baldi, it's the people it attracts, from musicians to politicians, athletes, actors, actresses. To my surprise, Riyadh, it was not very different. This is what this episode is all about. There's someone very, very important coming next week that we had a meeting about. So that's amazing. The wife came already, she loved it, and now she's coming back with the husband, who's supposedly someone very, very, very important. I can't say who it is. The only thing I can tell you, it looked like when President Clinton was coming at the restaurant in Malibu, and the day before he came, there was Secret Service that came, to check out the whole restaurant and all the entrances and the exits. Nothing like this. You can see he's very important who's coming, because there was a big gang of people. It's a big person. They told me I got to do a very good job tomorrow. I said, don't I always do a good job?
Yes.
Sorry, so where's this trash can thing that could work? What's in there? Oh, like one of those packets? Okay, where's that royal trash can? Oh, I think it... But I think if you're... I don't know. They specifically told me.
They look on the right.
This is his trash can. So I guess there's going to be boxes of Kleenex that will be arriving. And then he needs ice here, because he likes a lot of ice. Yes, this is a chair fit for someone wonderful. Yesterday they came up and they said, we're not leaving until Rochelle approves a chair. And it's funny because it's like a fancy IKEA chair with arms. But in the world of what we're dealing with, I'm sure it's nothing like he has in his own home, but for us it's, like top of the line. This is like so misaligned. Let me fix it.
What? Oh,
The OCD in me. I hope everyone has good humor tonight, and it's going to be family style. It's going to be Italian. It's going to be like our loudest, most gregarious waiters.
We were supposed to adjust him as
Your Highness,
but Giuseppe managed to come out with the truffle and say, "Hey, signore!" I say, "No,
Oh my
I
God.
said, Giuseppe has to be Your Highness."
So what's going on out there? There are people outside playing, musicians playing like a beautiful concert. There are servers standing with all sorts of amazing looking fruit juice cocktails, food, all this sort of things. And then we were basically let in on this secret that it is the king's eldest brother and his consultants, along with his wife and their son and daughters. It became clear that to people here, it was a really big deal that this person was coming to dine with us. So much so that they brought in a massive amount of white orchids. The one thing that I mentioned to them was that Eduardo loves white orchids. And they said, if we can do anything to make this feel like Beverly Hills and like the true Baldi, please let us know. And I said, well, he's pretty easy on decor, but that is one thing he personally loves. So they're all over the room.
He eat every single thing, small little portion. He's an 80 years old man, so it's understand. Small little portion, every single thing in the plate is gone. Sometimes I even see him cleaning the sauce with a little piece of bread, like we do in Italy.
Scarpetta.
Unbelievable. All of them, the wife, the son, everybody on the table. They didn't left anything. They eat everything. They were amazed.
Well, of all these restaurants, right, that are here and that are coming, that have Michelin stars and all this stuff, guess where the brother of the king came? Right here. Yeah. And I got to meet him, and he told me that, thank you, and I said, thank you for having me. But then he told the waiter, Dario,
And he told me I could not believe that in my life I would have a dinner like this in Saudi Arabia.
And for someone like that, who, by the way, I heard it's very rare that he compliments. To compliment and be happy and leaving satisfied is a big achievement. It's a personal achievement for me, but how amazing that little Edo's like, right? You got the brother of the king of Saudi Arabia having dinner here at Baldi pop-up. It's pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. So it's a monumental evening, and that we did it in this made-up kitchen that we've been in for 4 nights. We've been here for 4 nights, and we have achieved so far with the crew again that I've trained only for a couple of weeks. It's pretty amazing.